Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to save videos to your device from the Edits app or from the Instagram Edits app. Now, say for example, you have drafts right here that you wanted to save on your device. Or let's say for example that you wanted to create a new project and save it on your device. Let's say for example, I'm going to add in some photos right here, like this one and this one right here. Also this one. I'm going to tap on the check mark. All right. Now, I wanted to save it on my device. What do? Just go to the top right and tap on export. Wait for it to finish. All right. And after that, you don't have to do anything else. It will be automatically saved on your device storage. All right. I'll show you. Now it says here, it's done. This video was saved to your camera roll. Okay. Now we'll go ahead over to our camera roll, like our gallery right here. Just going to tap on it. Now go ahead and locate the edits folder. There you go. I'm just going to tap on it. And here we have our newly created or newly exported video. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.